Hi everyone, in front of me I've got DOOGEE X97 Pro, and let me share with you how to check the serial number of this device. So basically we've got two different ways to check the number by using a secret code, and it is the fastest way, and the second is by using the settings. So let's start with the code. We have to open the phone dialer as it is the place where we can enter it, and the code is *#06#. And as you can see, after scrolling down, we can see the serial number of this device. So let me go back and let me show you another way. So as I said, by using the settings, it will be useful if for some reason the secret code won't work. Right now we can scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone, and here we have to tap on the model and serial number. And as you can see, the serial number appears right here. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to check the serial number in your DOOGEE X97 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.